My friend from college said me that he is dealing from overthinking. And he said me that he was very sad. And I asked him what was it. And the thing that he said me, I was really shocked because I feel like he's telling my story. The same thing that I am dealing with. Study shows that more than 90% of people are dealing with overthinking. Overthinking is a major problem, which is the reason for the depression, which is the reason for the failure. This kind of overthinking comes from the thing that is uncontrollable, that is not in our hand, and that's why we cannot control it. We just keep thinking about it because we are helpless. We can do nothing. That's why it is the major problem. That's why it made us feel like we are useless. From our childhood, we are grown up thinking that we are special. In our family, we are always special because our family give us sovereignty. That's why we can feel special. But outside world, we are nothing, and that is the thing that we cannot accept. It's hard to accept it. And in this video, I'm going to tell about 3 ways to get out of it. And at last, I give you one bonus point also. And the first one is see the reality of life. We don't see the reality of life. We always run from the reality. But reality always hurts. Even if you get success or failure, think about it. How many people get success that you are in the position? How many people become the prime minister? That is just a post. People keep changing, and that is the reality of life. Even 100 years behind, there was someone who is dreaming to the place where you wanna reach, and after the 100 years also the same thing is going to happen. See the reality of life. We cannot see the reality of life, but I am not going to say that be depressed about it. I say live with freedom, because from there the freedom comes. When we see the reality of life, then we can become free. The pressure that we give us to ourselves for achieving success, the pressure of earning money, taking responsibilities, that made us feel like a burden. But we are not a burden. We have to live, and that's why we have to see the reality of life. We have to do our duty as much as possible, but that does not mean that we have to pressurize us. No, we don't have. We have to get out of it and enjoy the life also. It is hard to see, but we have to do it anyway, because if we cannot do it, then it's going to hard for us to resist our life, to live the joy. And one day when you see yourself in the mirror, you just see that your whole youth gone because of that burden, that pressure, and you are still in that same thing, and you cannot able to get out of it because all your life you practice to take life as a burden. Sometimes it feels so. Don't pressurize yourself. See the reality of life. One day we all have to die. See that thing. It may sound harsh, but just see that wherever you are, even if you don't exist there, then also everything does not stop there. Everything is going to happen as smooth as you are in that position. And the second point is put your effort, not as a challenge but as an opportunity. Like someone want to be a cricketer and he practiced from 1 year, and finally the opportunity comes. What he have to do? Don't have to pressurize himself. He has to take it as an opportunity, not as a challenge. If you take it as a challenge, then it's going to be hard. Of course, if you practice well, then you do well. You have to put your effort on the practice. You have to win, but you have to change your mindset also. When the opportunity comes, you have to see it as an opportunity to express yourself, not to think about it as a challenge. Because when you think about something as a challenge, then it's going to be hard. I know this. Don't take it as a challenge. Just take it as an opportunity to express yourself. You can. You have to think about positive aspect only. You have to put all the effort, and that is what I say. Like you have to earn money and put all the effort to earn money from every possible way. You have to do hard work. You have to use your brain, whatever, but you have to see the reality of life also, and you don't have to take it as a burden. You have to take it as an opportunity to get out of it. You have to see it opportunity to express yourself, to change the life of yours, your family, your country, everything. And don't lose here. Most guys lose in putting effort because they are afraid of doing hard work. No, you don't have to afraid of doing hard work. You have to do. If you do hard work, if you put all your effort in a panical line, not in a foolish way. Like you don't run 5 kilometers in your whole life and suddenly you jump for running 10 kilometers. It's a foolishness. Just run 5 kilometers every single day at the same time, but slowly increase the intensity, and that is where you have to win. You have to use your intensity, your effort, your reputation of doing work, and the smoothness. The more you become pro in something, the more smoothness comes. If the smoothness is not there, then you are not doing good. At first, it's going to be messy, but slowly you get that momentum. Slowly you get that intensity, that smoothness, and from there you can win. And the last one is control the controllable. Even if you put all your effort on something, sometimes it doesn't work because it is not in our hand. Most of the thing is not in our hand. The result is not in our hand. The performance is. Sometimes the person who is doing less work than you get success and you don't. And you feel like why? You just burn out, but it is not. You have to only control the controllable. Just focus on controlling the thing that is in your control. The effort, the opportunity to achieve your goal, and just to write from your own perspective. Don't try to control uncontrollable because it is not in your hand and you get depressed. I know that because I gone through that. Most of the time the uncontrollable are the future perspective, and you have to think about present moment. You have to keep patience, you have to control the controllable, you have to be right from your own perspective, from your own view. And the bonus point is you have to start meditation even 5 minutes or 2 minutes or even 1 minute every single day, because physically, mentally, emotionally, if you want to get out of overthinking, then you have to do it.